Kia ora and talofa. E momo lava o na whaafo'i le vi inga mal whaafitai I le atua. O na umawhai o na taitai manue mailo o tauso I fua ma lo mātou ola. O na taumawhai o taunu o manui ai le nei whaamoe moe. I lo wawa lava ma lo whaaloalo. O te whaawheloa I atuai. I le paia mal mamalu o le awhia o mawhai o na whaatasimai I le nei pō. Talofa, talofa lava. God has always been a central part in my life, and His hand has directed and guided all of my choices and my journey. And so tonight, as in everything I do, glory is His and His alone. It is a real privilege and an honour to be up here to accept the Pacifica Education Award. When I think about it all, as my previous recipient stated, when I think about all of the wonderful educators who are here in this very room, the real buzz and the enthusiasm and the talent, those who have gone before and those who, our children, who will go after us, I'm actually really humbled at actually receiving this, so thank you. Even though I'm really excited and I'm really happy, it's with a tinge of sadness because someone who's really beloved to me is not here, and that is my father, Tuala Lavi. For as long as I can remember, the two constant reminders from my father and my late mother, Lewo, were the following. Tupe to anga lotu. Tupe to anga leaonga. Education, God. Well, Dad, can I say to you that God is still centre stage in my life, and I am still in education, and I am, what I have said to my children, to my kids that I teach, a lifelong learner. My father's idea of education was quite traditional. Whaatumumu mua lo ulu I le poto. Fill your head with knowledge, he said to me. He carried with him the migrant dream, and that was that education is the key to success. And now, nearly six decades later, I am singing the same song, but with a different tune. You know, my challenge to my children, and as well as all the other Pacifica students and the students that I teach, is this. Yes, all knowledge is important, but not all knowledge is relevant. And the challenge is for you to find out the difference. But whatever happens to you, don't ever let anyone say to you that what you bring, your knowledge that you bring is not important, because it is. And what you bring carries with you your grandparents' stories and their dreams, your parents' struggles and successes, and your own stories, which you will tell and write and publish. What is my story? It's the story of a little girl who lived in a simple whaleo'o, whose father took her every day to the maumanga, to the plantation, whose father carried with him every day the machete in one hand and the amo in the other. What is your story that you want to share? I would like to, at this stage, thank Teacher NZ, Ministry of Education, for sponsoring the Pacific Education Award. And I also would like to thank the Sunpix and Tangata Pacifica, wonderful staff. And finally, at the interview, I was asked, what inspires you? He tangata, he tangata, he tangata. It is people, it is people, it is people. So I'd just like to briefly pay tribute to Ngā Puna o Waiorea Western Springs College for their wonderful support of all of my roles and everything I do. And to the students there who keep me real, and to the Pacific community and the Pacific teachers who continue to invest and support all of our Pacific students. And then finally, I would like to thank my brothers and my sisters. Some are in Australia and they are everywhere. This award is for you. And then to my beloved patient, loving and so dear family, my husband Motumotu, my daughters Adele, Lewo and Siolo, God is good, isn't he? A friend of mine asked me the other day, where to next, Tupe? Well, here's my answer. It is found in Luke 17, verses 10. And when you have done all that you were commanded to do, say then that we are merely unprofitable servant. We have done what was our duty. Thank you for allowing me to accept this, and I'm very honoured to so. Ka te lava.